Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video of the third section of real-world projects with Java 11. Section 3, Build a media player with Javafx. In this video, we will be exploring Javafx and planning the media player. So what is Javafx? Javafx is an external library to Java. It used to be a part of it, but they separated them in Java 11. And it is honestly one of the best ways to create a professional and good-looking user interface for Java. In this video, we will get Javafx for Java 11 and plan the media player. As you can see, I have created an empty project and it doesn't have anything in it. So let's first create a Javafx application from the templates. Right-click SRC, New, and go down to Javafx application. As you can see, there are a lot of errors right now on the screen. So let's try and fix them one by one. First, we need, as I said before, to get Javafx in this project because it is, after all, an external library. I have prepared the Javafx libraries all in one place. You will be provided those libraries as well. All you need to do is take this lib folder and drag it to media player. As you can see, I have prepared this lib folder for you, and it contains all of the Javafx content. So let's drag it from downloads to the media player. Press enter. And now make sure that you have this lib folder directly under media player. Now that this is done, let's go to File, Project Structure, Libraries, and make sure that we have Javafx set as a library. We do it as following. Click on this plus sign on the left, Java, and go down to where the lib folder, but not the main lib folder, the big one, but under the OpenJFX dash your Java version, Windows, click on the plus sign on the left, Java, and now find the lib folder, but not the one we just dragged, but the subfolder of that lib folder. Meaning, it usually goes under lib, OpenJFX, JavaFX, lib. Click OK, and make sure that you have this on the screen. Let's rename it JavaFX, just for convenience. Click Apply, and OK. It is indexing, but it will not solve the problem. When we run it, it will give us a handful of errors. When we run it, it will say, error, Javafx runtime components are missing and are required to run this application. To fix this weird error, go to Main on the top right-hand side of the screen, click Edit Configurations, and under VM Options, paste this string. Make sure, though, that at the start of the string, there is a path for your lib folder. Make sure the path matches where the actual lib folder exists. For me, it's under D, Data, Documents, Java, Media Player, Lib, and OpenJFX. Make sure that the path is correct or it will not work for you. Click on Apply, click OK, and as you can see, if we run it, it will build and run just fine. Problem is, we don't really have an application right now, so it does nothing. But it doesn't crash as well, which is a good sign. Now let's plan the media player. The media player will be able to load and play a video through File Explorer. It will have a play/pause button, and it will have a video library to browse and load videos more comfortably.